So first things first, you're going to put the oil in a bowl, and once you do that, then you add in your sugar and you mix it till it's well combined. Just give it a quick mix. Then you add in the eggs, just two, and you mix that as well till it's well combined. Once you're done mixing it, then you add in the melted chocolate. I used milk chocolate for this recipe, but you can use any type of chocolate you please. Then you add in flavoring. I use butterscotch flavoring here. You can as well use any one you please. Then once you're done mixing, you add in cocoa powder and mix that till it's well combined. Everything will definitely be well combined. Then you add in your salt, mix that too. Then you add in your flour. You add your flour in batches. So you add in the first batch and you mix it till it's well combined. Then once you mix that, then you add in the second batch, which is the last batch, because the flour is not that much, it's just a little quantity. Then you add it and mix it as well till it's well combined, so you have that chocolatey ganache feel or texture. Then you transfer it to your baking pan and you bake for 40 minutes. Once it's done, you begin to cut it into squares. You can cut it into any size you want. I like mine pretty small, so I went for small size. Then you rearrange it and you can eat it plain like that, or you can just use on chocolate for extra flavor. I also wanted to play with colors, so I did a glaze. This glaze was just a mix of icing sugar, water, flavoring, and red food coloring. But I added a little quantity so it won't be so reddish, so it looks pretty pinkish. Then I drizzled it on it and it looks so lovely and it tastes amazing too. Bye.